तेवेसाठी कॉमनवेल्थ लॉ कॉन्फरन्सचे उक्तावण आज केंद्रीय कायदो मंत्री किरण रिजिजू हांच्या हस्तुकी जाले। या परिषदेत संवसारभरातल्या कायदे तज्ञांनी वांटो घेतला। परिषदेत कॉर्पोरेट, कौटुंबिक, सिव्हिल गुन्हो तशेंच प्रशासकीय पावड्यावयल्या कायद्याविशीं चर्चा जातली, तशीच म्हायती मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिल्या। ते कार्यावळीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्या वेळार उलयताले।
With the outreach of the knowledge revolution, the citizens have become far more aware, the vigilant and assertive for the law rights, and in a positive sense, this makes the job of the lawmakers far more challenging, wherein the proposed enactment are more often not but through the judicial scrutiny and before being thoroughly implemented. I'm glad that and all of you will discussing the various topics such as corporate law, family law, civil law, criminal law and administrative law, etc. as a part of this conference. I'm pretty sure that discussion of these intellectuals will surely yield something very successful for the society at large. We all are the part of rapidly changing the world, wherein the traditional boundaries of nations are getting diluted and new world order of an inclusive coexistence becoming a reality. The global village wants the skilled manpower, it wants the advanced technology, it wants the ease of living, it wants ease of doing a business, it sets the sustainable development goals. And to achieve all this, we need law enhancement with a fresh and modern outlook and mindset.